My friends and fellow colleagues, as you are aware, Sunway committed to fully supporting the battle against the pandemic when it hit Malaysia. This commitment took several forms and at the cost of almost 60 million ringgit. A major aspect of our contribution was when we offered the government 4 of our facilities totaling close to 200,000 square feet for free to be used as vaccination centers over 12 months. But even more valued than our material contribution is the selfless effort by Sunway's frontline healthcare staff and volunteers.
At Sunway Healthcare Group, we are proud to be given a chance to participate in the National Immunization Program. It is great to share our resources and expertise, especially in the clinical field, to help accelerate the nationwide rollout of COVID-19 vaccines. Now, with 4 vaccination centers in Sunway various townships across the Klang Valley, we are administering thousands of vaccines daily. This will bring us closer to our goal, which is achieving the herd immunity for the country as soon as possible.
Salam sejahtera. It has been a long journey, and today the private medical practitioner alongside healthcare NGOs is providing services at more than 2,000 pusat pemberian vaksin nationwide and has contributed to more than 14 million doses vaccination. This is an exemplary public-private partnership in the healthcare sector and shall be continued. On behalf of the Ministry of Health and Protect Health, I would like to extend our appreciation to all involved, including Sunway Healthcare Group in the National COVID-19 Immunization Program. Your dedication, commitment is patriotic in this national service, and we thank you.
Saya berasa sangat bersyukur kerana dapat melengkapkan suntikan dos kedua pada hari ini.
எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் பயமாக தான் இருந்தது முதல்ல, ஏன்னா நிறைய ஃபேக் நியூஸ் பரவிக்கிட்டு இருந்தது. ஆனால் போக போக நிறைய பேர் குத்த அவங்கக்கிட்ட பேச நானும் கொஞ்சம் படிக்க எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் நம்பிக்கை வந்து அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் மயஸ் ஜாத்திரையில் போய் அதை படித்து தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் கொடுத்தாங்க எனக்கு.
我在接种疫苗之前会比较担心副作用的问题，但是在接种过后，情况都很良好，消除了我的顾虑。
I think the process is very smooth. overall I'm very impressed lah.
Dah sampai ke sini, dia punya petugas semua very good. Tunjukkan saya semua cara macam mana nak register, buka vaksin, jumpa dengan doktor, bagi nasihat. Saya mengajak semua rakyat yang belum ambil vaksin, segeralah berbuat demikian sebab kita nak capai herd immunity. Kan kita semua nak bebas seperti dulu.
If you can get vaccinated as soon as possible, doesn't matter which vaccine you get. And we're all in this together, so I think the more of us who get vaccinated, the better it is for everyone.
And I would like to express my deepest and heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for your dedication, hard work, and sacrifice. You have set a shining example for Malaysia, coming together across racial and religious lines to help our nation in this difficult time. Together we have proved yet again that the strength of our country lies in the enduring power of unity and patriotism among all Malaysians. Your tireless efforts and those of other colleagues at Sunway are an inspiration to all. Our collective efforts reaffirm the hopes of creating a brighter, inclusive, and sustainable future for all under the Malaysian sun. We are all in this together, my fellow colleagues. Thank you.